Hi guys, good morning America. Magandang gabi Pilipinas. So, I'm making my own breakfast. So I have this stoneware. Spray it with like butter spray. And I get eggs. So I'm cooking 2 eggs in the microwave. This stoneware, you can put it in the microwave. And first I'm just gonna run and grab my salt and a pepper. So this is my life in America. Get up in the morning, have breakfast, go to work. Yan po, mahirap ang buhay sa Amerika. So I'm just gonna microwave in the microwave for just a minute. There you go guys, just 1 minute. Kumusta na? Hi friends, kumusta? Hello, hello. How are you guys? Love you all. So, I made some coffee this morning. This is just a regular milk. So, I just add an instant milk. Para makuha mo ang calcium. I need calcium and protein. That's what I'm looking. So, this is just a regular milk. I warm it in the microwave for just 1 minute. Yan guys. Kumusta na? Hi! Kumusta? Hello friends! Kumusta na? So right here's my coffee. I'll put this away. I'll put it away. So guys, it's done. My eggs are done guys. Yay! So here guys, eto na po. Yan. Yes, it's yummy. Just a minute. What did I say? A minute. Just a minute, sorry. Isang minuto lang po sa microwave. Ayan. Easy life. Just the right eggs. Okay guys, this is my breakfast. 2 eggs. And a cup of milk. I just add an instant coffee. This one is all microwave. Etong buhay sa Amerika, puro microwave. Para madali. And just an egg. So, 2 eggs and a banana for my breakfast. Plus my cup of milk with instant coffee. Yes. Magandang gabi po. Sa Pilipinas, mga kapatid, sa Pilipinas, magandang gabi. So, what time is it in here in the US? It's 7:49 a.m. So, siguro dyan is, anong oras na dyan? Mga 9:49 na dyan sa Pilipinas. Kasi parang 12 hours ahead, something like that. So, let's eat guys. Sorry. Nagmamadali. 8:30 ng pasok ko ng umaga. That's it guys. Eggs. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Love you. Love you all.